You know, in the business world, how you buy things is honestly just as important as what you're selling. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a platform that's right at the heart of all that, SAP Ariba. We're going to see how it's completely changing the game for supply chain management.
Does it ever feel like just finding the right supplier, or even just buying the things your business needs, is like untangling a giant knot of wires? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. It's a massive headache for companies of all sizes everywhere.
But what if you could just tap into a network that connects you with billions of potential suppliers? Well, that's exactly the power of SAP Ariba. It's so much more than just a piece of software. It's this huge, dynamic digital marketplace. So let's break down how it all works.
All right, here's the game plan. We'll kick things off with a big problem Ariba is built to solve, and then we'll dive into the solution itself. We'll break down its key functions into what's called upstream and downstream activities, look at why its integration with SAP is such a big deal, and then wrap up with a peek into the future.
So, at its very core, the problem is pretty simple. Managing a supply chain isn't just about shuffling paperwork. It's a deeply strategic part of the business. And if you get it wrong, you're staring down the barrel of wasted time, higher costs, and a ton of missed opportunities.
And that leads us right to the solution. SAP Ariba is specifically designed to tackle that problem head-on. It does this by creating a massive cloud-based network that connects buyers and suppliers all over the world, making the whole collaboration process feel, well, seamless.
So what is it exactly? Well, SAP bought Ariba back in 2012 and really transformed it into this leading cloud platform for all things procurement. It's really all about connecting businesses to make that entire process from the moment you find a supplier to the moment you pay that final invoice as smooth as possible.
And at the heart of it all is the cloud, acting like a central hub connecting every single piece of the puzzle. You get direct collaboration with your partners, really powerful tools for data analysis so you can make smarter decisions, total visibility into your entire supply chain, and standardized processes that tie it all together. And the benefits here? They're huge. You get one single platform for that entire source-to-settle journey. It's got powerful tools for managing complex bids and proposals. You'll often hear that called RFX, which basically just stands for Request for Anything. And of course, it plugs you into that massive community of partners. All of this is wrapped up in an interface that's actually easy to use and can scale right alongside your business.
Now, to really understand Ariba, you have to think about procurement in two totally distinct phases, upstream and downstream. This is actually how Ariba organizes all its different modules, and it's brilliant because it separates all that big picture strategic work from the day-to-day operational stuff.
Okay, here's the key difference. Think of upstream as the planning phase. It's all the strategic heavy lifting you do before a purchase is ever made. We're talking about finding suppliers, negotiating huge contracts for raw materials, and assessing potential risks. Then you have downstream, which is the doing phase. This is the operational side, actually creating an order for those materials, receiving the goods, and paying the invoice. See the difference? Strategy versus execution. So, Ariba is already powerful on its own, but it becomes an absolute powerhouse when you connect it to a company's core SAP ERP system. Now, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's basically the company's central brain that runs everything from finance to logistics. Let's see how that connection works.
Getting Ariba up and running follows a pretty clear path, from initial configuration all the way to go live. But I want you to look closely at Step 4, Integrate with SAP ERP. That is the real game changer. This is the point where all the strategic decisions you make in Ariba connect directly to your company's core financial and operational data, creating one single source of truth for everything.
Then this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Because Ariba is an SAP product, it's literally designed from the ground up to work perfectly with other SAP solutions like S/4HANA. This isn't some clunky third-party connection that you have to force to work. It's a completely native integration.
And that integration isn't just a cool technical detail. It delivers some serious real-world advantages. It means your data flows flawlessly, which gets rid of errors. Processes that used to be totally manual can suddenly be automated. And all this gives you a much clearer view of your spending, all inside one unified system that's just plain easier to manage.
But here's the thing. A platform like this isn't just standing still. I mean, the business world is constantly changing, right? So Ariba is evolving right along with it, getting ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow.
The platform is constantly evolving to meet today's biggest business needs. For example, it's building in tools to track sustainability so you can actually monitor your environmental impact.
Or it's enhancing supply chain resilience to help you predict and hopefully avoid major disruptions. It's really all about using data to make smarter, faster decisions in a world that just keeps changing.
And maybe the biggest leap forward of all is something called intelligent spend management. We're moving way beyond simple automation here. This is about embedding artificial intelligence and machine learning right into the platform to give you predictive insights. The goal is to shift from just processing purchases to making truly intelligent decisions about spending.
So, we've gone on this journey from disconnected spreadsheets and messy processes to an intelligent, networked platform. The new standard for procurement is data-driven, it's resilient, and it's sustainable. The only question left is your process ready for that future?